Ok, on va essayer d'aller se faire du fun, mais je vais sûrement tomber. Ah! Ah non, non. C'est bon ça. Ouais, let's go, let's go, let's go. Good morning, this is Mathieu. I hope you're doing good today. And today there is a lot of snow, like really a lot. We'll go to a ride in Montreal with my studded tire, little spikes here, not the best, but better than nothing. So there will be snow and some ice. This is looking like this, the cycle path on Jacques Cartier Bridge. The goal today will be to go to the pâtissier and buy some croissant. Turn on the light and hope I will not die. I think we are ready somewhat. I'm surprised that I've seen some bicycles, mountain bikes. If you wonder why I'm so out of breath, that's because I had to take my Sherman in my arms to go upstairs, a lot of stairs, because I was on the other side of the bridge and had to pass under the bridge with stairs full of snow, super slippery. So let's enjoy a little of snow. Now you should have noticed that I don't have my Shinko tire anymore. We're only doing 20 kilometers per hour and this is a little scary. So let's go a little faster. Yeah, water spray coming from the cars. This is very unbelievably pleasant. Free water in my eyes. Okay. We are lucky that the cycle path is cloud. This is cold now. Oh. Very cold on the face. This is -3 Celsius. And we have to be careful about the slush. When snow has a lot of water in it, that's slush. But I think in the snow the Shinko was a little bit better due to its flatter profile. It was less prone to slip on the side. But the Kenda is doing pretty well also. Anyway, try to not die here. Hello. This guy must be like, what the hell is going on? A guy on his unicycle on the snow and ice, but maybe I am crazy. Beautiful view from Montreal here. There's some quad action here. I will let it pass. Four-track power. The waters are screaming at me. This is slippery! Not so bad. This is slippery. Ah! But a little less bicycle than usual. I wonder why. Oh, seems good. "20 kilometers an hour. Oh, I can see nothing. I have over 3,000 kilometers on my Veteran Sherman-S. And it's been very reliable, excluding my dumb ideas, like today maybe. I don't know why people seem to be surprised. I'll try to capture the people's face expression. Oh, oh, oh. 3, 2, 1. Try to not die. Yeah! Knobs are full of snow. I have to clean them a little. There we go. That's a lot better. Shinko tire so far in the snow. A lot better for me. A lot of fun, although. A lot of physical workout too. I'm happy to be to have practiced off-road a lot, because I wouldn't be so confident in doing this crap. Would I recommend to anyone to do this? Absolutely not. Not in city, but off-road, of course. I'm happy to not have my car right now. You have to be careful. People don't see anything in their car, and often they don't even flow the snow on them. So they see even less. So the tire is feeling a little bit more swirly than usual due to the threaded screw. You can feel a little the tire wobbling, but nothing scary. Snow in my eyes. I have the choice of having fog or snow in my eyes. Let's do both. This is hard in the eyes. But I cannot go on the sidewalks because of the pedestrians, and it's hard to be on the road. Okay, the boat. I hate cars. It's super humid, so the helmet is fogging up really quickly. Let's turn right. I'll turn off the camera for now. I think that's enough for today's test. And with the camera is a lot harder to keep a good balance, so Thank you for watching and take care.